Hey guys, it's Saria. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be my New Year's resolution. So a few months ago I was kind of going through my craft room and actually I can't remember if it was before or like during when I did the collab with Miss Cherry, and I was like digging through my craft room frantically trying to figure out something else that I could make. But basically I have a lot of stuff, like I have a lot of craft supplies, and they're all just kind of like sitting there waiting to be used. So I did decide to do a resolution, if you will, to not buy any new craft supplies until I have emptied a box. So the box that I'm talking about, I'm going to show to you in a moment, but basically I bought a big plastic storage tote, which is kind of funny because I'm talking about not buying stuff and then I went and bought it. But okay, no, that's not fair. So this storage tote is actually going to be used for holiday storage, but as of right now I'm borrowing it to use for this concept. But yeah, basically I took the box, I went around my craft room and I just grabbed a bunch of stuff that I have been meaning to make and threw it into the box. Now, I'm not restricted to only using the box. So, for example, if I'm making some ears and I need like a button or something and there's not a button in the box, I can go in my craft room and get something else out of my craft room. But I'm not allowed to go to Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree or Michael's or any of that, Walmart, none of that, and spend any money on crafts until this box is empty. Do you guys want to see the box? This is the box. Okay, let me see if I can. Yeah, I'm gonna put this down. So yeah, I mean, to be fair, a lot of this stuff, like honestly, a good bit of the stuff in my craft room is given to me. Like I'm kind of that person in my community who, if people have stuff that they're not going to use, like this, okay, a person gave this to me and there's two of them because they were like, I'm not going to use these, I thought I was, do you want them? And I'm always like, yeah. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to turn these into little Mickey ears for Kala. But basically I get given a lot of stuff and I am definitely a hoarder. Like I have crafts in here and things in here that I just don't want to get rid of because I feel like I can use it at some point. But the problem is that I have all that stuff and then, you know, randomly I'll think of making Te Fiti ears and I'll go to the craft store and buy new stuff for Te Fiti ears because I want like an exact thing for it. So that all being said, the point of this is that I'm not going to be spending money on any crafting stuff until this box is empty. And if I can keep it going longer than this box, if I can like refill the box and then do it again, I will. So this might end up being kind of like a no spending year. I don't know. To be honest, I think I have about 6 months worth of videos in this box. Now that being said, I know a lot of you have been requesting videos and a lot of them I had already bought the supplies for, I just haven't gotten a chance to film it yet. So I will still try to get to your requested videos in a timely manner, but obviously I'm still going to stick to this spending thing. So if a new request gets made and I don't really have the supplies for what I'm envisioning in my head, it is going to have to wait just because I want to stick to this. Okay, so there is one exception to the no spending. So I am in a couple of collabs that are swaps and I am allowing myself to spend money. You guys like how I'm spinning? Because I'm in my new fancy computer chair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will have the video linked in the description below as well as in a card above. But anyway, so I'm doing a swap in March, February, and I think April too. And they're all different types of swaps, but I am allowed to spend money on those because I don't want it to be like those people are only getting things that are from the supply in my craft room. But yeah, so if I'm doing a collaboration and I need to buy something based on the collab, then I might allow myself to go purchase. But if I don't need to, like if I have something that will work, I'm going to use what's in my craft room. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just kind of wanted to give you like an update, my New Year's resolution, all of that. I do have a few other personal resolutions that I'm going to try to do this year. One of them, just, it's silly, but it's like taking more pictures of me and my husband together. And then I have a couple others. But if you guys have a New Year's resolution that you'd like to share with me, please leave it for me in the comments below. I would love to read that and talk to you about it. And I will see you guys in my next video, starting off with this box and trying to get rid of this stuff. Bye, guys.